Assalamualaikum and good morning. My name is Nur Afika binti Basra. Today I would like to discuss the function and effect of mass media on individual and social living in the urban and rural area. Mass media play an important role in our life in society. Mass media is medium used to communicate to general public. Type of mass media is television, radio, magazine, newspaper, and internet. Media is most focused on urban area due to their commercial impression. Before advancing to the rest of discussion, we should clarify what are defined rural and urban area. Rural is located outside the town and the city, as for example Sabah and Sarawak. As we know, Sabah and Sarawak as a village. Basic different urban and rural area can be described by culture. Urban people are advanced into a new thing, and rural people mostly stick into a common ritual. Today, I would like to discuss about function of mass media. There are many functions of mass media, but we have 5 functions of mass media still relevant. This is the function of mass media. Today, I would like to discuss the 5 important functions of mass media. First is surveillance, second is interpretation, third is link, fourth is socialization, and the last one will be entertainment. The first function of mass media is surveillance. As we know, surveillance is reporting and play a role of distribution information via media. It can be divided into 2 types of surveillance. First is warning surveillance, and the second one is instrumental surveillance. Warning surveillance is information by media like weather change, heavy rains, and instrumental surveillance is information used to everyone in a life, like stock of a market price, new product, and recipe. The second function of mass media is interpretation. Interpretation is closely related with the surveillance function. It can prevent desirable consequence of communication. Nowadays, mass media have realized their responsibility to evaluate and interpret information to reader. The mass media does not supply just fact or information, but also explanation and interpreting information of event or situation. Basically, such type of interpretative content is prepared by journalists. Third function of mass media is link. For example, advertising. The fourth function of mass media is socialization. In terms of socialization, mass media function is transmission of culture. The last function of mass media is entertainment. Television is one most effective medium of entertainment. The purpose people use mass media is to feel desire, socialization, to reduce stress. There are many effects of mass media, but today I just want to discuss 4 effects of mass media. First is individual and society. Second will be social criticism. Third is knowledge. Fourth is media needs and social need. However, other negative consequence of mass media is violence, posture development, scammer, and pedophile. Many are wondering that mass media and social media in particular is a good thing and a bad thing. Mass media has a big potential to help and harm people. Many negative effects has been recorded and kids spend more time in media social than do others activity. However, not all mass media program has a negative effect. Additionally, most of people today spend more time in a mass media. There are bad effects when people spend more time in media social, for example, posture development. The other concern about effect of mass media is pedophile.